Welcome to Gene'sBibleStudy.com. This website was designed to study the various topics of the New Testament. And to begin, we click on the Bible Topics button up here. And for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to look up Led by the Spirit. So we go down to the L and go to LE. It takes us to Lead. And down here we see Led by the Spirit. So we click on, and at the end of every topic, we see a number with a letter behind it. These are page numbers, and the letter behind it refers to the letters on the left margin of the page. So we look for the F of 105, 105F, and we're looking for Led by the Spirit, and so here it is. And so we have, it starts here and goes down to here. And so all these passages refer to being led by the Spirit in the New Testament. And we can click on any one of these verses, where it says verses, you click on one of these, and it takes us to the verses themselves where we can actually read what the Scripture says about being led by the Spirit. And then when we click back to go back, and every reference that is a link, if we clicked on it, would take us to the index where the commentary is stored. And here we have 105G being led by the Spirit to the right place. And then we have commentary for that. And up here we have the verse itself that speaks about this. And anytime we want to, the navigation bar, we just click on this. Or if we want to go directly to the New American Standard, New Testament, click on that. Or to the King James Version, New Testament, we click on that. Or if we want to go back to where we were, we click on 105G, which takes us back to where we were.